Hey everybody, what do you know about dogs? Well, let's talk about him. We just picked up this little fellow right here a couple days ago. So this is Mo. He is a Springer Doodle, and he is just a hoot. He is so much fun, and he is so fluffy and cool. So I'm gonna put him down because he's probably gonna start wanting to explore because he's a puppy. But once again, this is our dog, and we love him very much. So yeah, dogs evolved from an ancient wolf, a common ancestor to the gray wolf, maybe 20,000 years ago, 40,000 years ago. We don't really know exactly. The first evidence of dogs, I think, is around 15 to 16,000 years ago. And probably ancient people were living in villages and areas of like a camp, and wolves are around, and a natural symbiotic relationship probably started out of that. And that's how dogs kind of came to be. And then dog breeding kind of did its thing over the years. And we know there's lots of different dog breeds out there, kind of like also through different like cultures and countries and nationalities. Dogs for herding, dogs for like hunting, retrieving, and many other different types of breeds as well. When it comes to their sense of smell, a dog's sense of smell, some dogs have a sense of smell, like some people say, like 100,000 times more powerful than that of a human. The bloodhound, speaking of dog breeds, the bloodhound is a dog breed that has the strongest sense of smell. Bloodhounds, their actual like sense of smell can be used in court. It's such like good evidence, which is pretty cool. Dogs have like 50 times more olfactory receptors in their nose than humans. They also have a bigger brain capacity for sensing smell as well, which I thought was kind of cool. Also, dogs, when it comes to panting and getting rid of their heat, they do that because it's their mouth is like evaporating water like off their tongue and their cheeks, and that helps cool them down. They also sweat through their paws, which is kind of cool as well. Also, dogs are either right pawed or left pawed, and it's really 50-50. Most humans are right-handed, while dogs, they might be right pawed or left pawed, and once again, it's more 50-50. Going back to wolves and talking about like where dogs came from, speaking of the gray wolf, dogs, their DNA is like 99.9% similar to that of a gray wolf. So very similar. Dogs can actually be bred with wolves. I've heard of that's happening before. I've never seen it, but I've heard about that. And then one other fact about dogs, which I think is kind of cool, a mature dog basically has the intellect level of a 2-year-old human, from what I read about it. They can understand 100 words. Some dogs can understand up to 1,000 words, which is pretty cool. So dogs are pretty smart, and they're absolutely amazing and just lovable little creatures. So I hope you thought that was interesting. Stay curious.